Mechanical shifting is often portrayed as old and outdated, but bikes with mechanical gears still work perfectly well. One of the best ways to maintain the shifting of your mechanical system is to replace the inner and outer parts of the cable. In this video, I'll be replacing the rear derailleur cables using a shifting kit from Shimano. The process starts by undoing the cable at the derailleur and removing the old sections of cable from the bike. The cable will usually be routed under the handlebar tape, so this will need to be partially removed in order to access the cable. Fold back your shifter cover and remove the old cable. Next, you can open up your shifting kit, which will have all the pieces to complete this job. This kit also includes a guide piece that fits inside the rear derailleur barrel adjuster. This isn't required for all bikes, but it will make a small improvement to the shifting. The shift housing in the new kit will need to be cut to length. Use the old sections of cable as a guide and cut with cable cutters for the best results. After cutting, you'll need to use a sharp pick to reform the inner liner of the cable, which will be slightly squished after cutting. Finish the new section of cable by putting end caps on both sides and then unravel your new inner cable. Install your cable through the shifter and then install your first section of cable housing. Make sure that the cable fits snugly inside the shifter and then secure it down to the handlebar using electrical tape. Prepare and install the remaining sections of cable on your bike before running the cable through the rear derailleur and securing it into place. Next, shift your bike through the gears and work the cable into place. After a few times up and down the gears, the tension on the cable is going to go down and it's going to need to be tightened. So loosen the bolt, pull the slack out of the cable, and then reattach the bolt. Now, test your shift from the smallest cog and see if the bike shifts into the next gear. If not, you'll need to add tension to the cable by turning the barrel adjuster counterclockwise. Go through all the gears on your bike and fine-tune the tension on the barrel adjuster to ensure that one click equals one shift. Finally, cut the extra cable off, secure the end cap, and this job is done.